Okay, I'd started recording without pushing the button. So this is going to be a video of, new plants and old plants. Just some changes, a bit of an update video. I talked about Ouchie Monkey, but I don't think it recorded. So here's Ouchie Monkey. That's the dog's toy, actually. That dog there. Kind of a clumsy shot. Say hello to YouTube, Ebony. Hello, YouTube. Well, you got a funny voice today. Anyway, she tore its ear within about 5 minutes of having it, and I thought that toy's not going to last. But then she never did any more damage. And it's just kind of hilarious because the Velcro on the hand just is attracted to that ripped ear. So I call her Ouchie Monkey. And I just set her there because it's really kind of a cute monkey. It was supposed to be a Valentine's gift to a special lady, I think. So I gave her to my special lady. Anyway, enough about dog toys. This is the arrowhead that I thought was going to die, but it's got a leaf. It's starting a new leaf. Looks like it's going to do something. And then I got a new spider plant. Supposed to be variegated, but that particular one seems to be losing its variegation. It's okay, there's another one. I got both sides now. This one has the variegation on the inside with green surrounding the white. And my older one, which I bettered water or it's going to die, has the opposite. The white is surrounding the green. So I got both varieties of that now, if I keep everybody alive. I thought I would try it again with the, what's that called? Jade plant. Not very good with jade plants, but I have also claimed to not be very good with the holiday cactus. And since then, my holiday cactuses have all bloomed, all 3 of the new ones, and I thought they were all pink. But apparently one bloomed twice, because that does not look like a pink bud to me. That one looks like it's going to be white. So, hooray, I got a white one. With all this success, I'm encouraged to take some that I got floating around in the tank that I didn't expect to do anything, but it stayed alive. That one is red. So I'm thinking of taking a bit out of one of the tanks and starting it in dirt so that I can have apparently 2 pink ones, a white one, and a red one. Because I seem to be finding success in this environment with the holiday cactus. Unfortunately, my prior success with the Phalaenopsis orchid seems to be lacking in this environment, which I'm not sure why, because there's decent humidity. It's a bit warmer. Maybe it's gotten a bit too warm. I don't know, but yeah. The Phalaenopsis don't seem to be doing as well here. Okay, so there's the white cactus, the new plants, and the last couple of changes. That is a Dracaena, and it has graduated to being a floor model. It used to live over with the Christmas decorations. It didn't seem to be happy. So I thought, well, before it gets too unhappy, I'll give it more light. Moved it over here onto the turtle's aquarium. So there's other plants on the turtle's aquarium. And it was too tall. It went up and was going up into the curtains. So the only thing that was getting light was the trunk. And I thought, well, the trunk doesn't care about the light. It's the leaves that want the light. So I thought, well, maybe it's big enough now to be a floor model. And even though it looks like it's quite a ways under the window, it's actually a lot closer than it looks. It's just the camera angle. I can back up a little bit. Even at that angle, it doesn't look right. It's a lot closer, and it will get the light from that window. It's not a foot down like it looks like it is in the camera. So it has become a floor model. There's a couple of things that I should have picked up that fell off the plants. I apologize. And the rubber tree, which is quite a bit bigger, well, it started growing 3 new branches. 2 of them are being rather successful. There's the one, leaf got in the way, but there's the other branch, and then down here, it's still growing, but I don't know. It's about the same age as the other branches, it just hasn't done a whole lot. So this one's got branches. I kind of hope the Dracaena doesn't branch. I'm sure everybody's seen the Dracaenas, and they got, 3 or 4, sometimes even 5 branches coming out from the stump. Yeah, well, I don't want the stump. If it branches naturally, that's one thing. But I don't see a lot of these Dracaena plants without the stump and branches coming out from the stump. I don't care for the stump. I don't necessarily mind the multiple heads, as I'll call them, but I don't like that stump. Looks like somebody tried to kill it, and I don't care for that. So if it branches naturally, fine. If it don't, I kind of like the single trunk, especially as there's no stump. That's not coming out of a stump. It's just going all the way down, like a seedling coming up. And that I kind of like. I don't like that forced multiple heads because you've first made a stump. I just don't care for that stump with branches coming out of it. Looks like the tree's had, yeah. But it looks like it's had a hard life, and I don't necessarily care for that. Like this one. I didn't have to cut it off to get those branches. They came, so, that's fine. I don't have to look at a stump in the bottom of that pot either. So, those are the major changes. And I will talk to you next time. Whenever next time proves to be.